boys and girls, it's me, Mrs. Evie. Happy Monday. Today is March the 30th, 2020. Hope everybody is doing well. We're starting our week 3 of NTI days at our houses or our homes. So we're going to start learning with a new sound this week. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I know we had a bad storm, Saturday night? And the wind was pretty busy yesterday, but it was still nice to be able to get outside and walk around with your family and friends. That's what we did. We spent a lot of time outside yesterday. Okay, so we're just going to start by going over our letters and sounds that we have already learned. So just go ahead and do the sounds with me, okay? Here we go. G. D. E. T. T. N. X. Our diagram from last week. Sh. Sheldon, remember? Sh. Bat, ball, b. Ah. K. J. P. R, like rabbit. R. V. Y. Another diagram. Ch. Chester chicken. Ch. Ch. Z. E. K. W. S. O. Qu. Very nice. Okay. Here's what we're going to do right now is if you have sand or you have rice or whatever you've been using to make our letters, if you have that, go ahead and stop and get that right now. If not, you can get a dry erase board and markers, and if not, just get a piece of paper and pencil and do this with me, okay? So go ahead and stop me right now and get what you need, and I'm going to get my letters together that we're going to need, and we're going to get started, okay? Is everybody getting their stuff together? Yes? Good, good. All right, are you ready? I'm just going to write them on the board, but you surely do it in the sand or do it in your rice or noodles, something that you can feel that when you're making that letter, or you have a board and a marker, or you just have a piece of paper and a pencil, okay? Eyes on me. Sound is eh. Repeat. Eh. And then let's go ahead and make it. E says eh. Make sure you draw your line underneath it. Eyes on me. Sound is mm. Repeat. Mm. M says mm. Eyes on me. This is a tricky one. Sound is g. Repeat. G. G says, where do I cross it? Because it's a hang down letter. G. Good work if you did that. G. Eyes on me. Sound is d. Repeat. D. Watch Mrs. Evie's pencil does not come up. D says D. Drum, then stick. D says D. Eyes on me. Sound is P. P. P says P. And that's a hang down letter. Eyes on me. Sound is I. Repeat. I. I says I. Eyes on me. Sound is T. Repeat. T. T says T. There's your T again. Eyes on me. Sound is N. Repeat. Watch how Mrs. Eby does this. Start here. Go down and back up. N says N. Eyes on me. Sound is X. Repeat. X. X says X. Eyes on me. Sound is Ah. Repeat. Ah. O says Ah. Eyes on me. Sound is Repeat. U says Eyes on me. Sound is Ah. Repeat. Ah. A says Ah. Eyes on me. Sound is B. Repeat. B. Watch how Mrs. Eby does this. Bat. Ball. B. B says B. Go down and back up. Your pencil doesn't come off. Eyes on me. Sound is Sh. Repeat. Sh. S-H says Sh. Very nice. Okay, you may put away your boards and your markers or your sand if you're using sand. And we are going to work on blending our words. So I'm going to get this ready for us. Put our vowels in the middle here. Our yellow cards are our vowels. Yes, almost there. Here we go. Okay, our ending cards. And our beginning cards. Okay. Now do not go past my finger. Okay, let's do this together. Wa, I, sh, wish. Is that a true word? Remember, thumbs up. Yes, I wish you were here with me. Let's try this one. S, im, sim. No. Let's try this. Wom. Is that a real word? Let's try this one. Og. Log. Yeah, you put a log on a fire. Let's try this one. What sound does this make? Qua. Og. Quag. No. Og. Fog. Yeah, when it's hard to see outside, it's foggy outside. Okay, let's try. Add. Fad. Yeah, like something new that everybody loves. Like Pokemon cards, they're a fad. We might not love them forever, but right now it's a new fad. Cap. Cap. Yeah, like a baseball cap. J. A. et, jet. Yeah, like you fly in a jet. Let's try this one. Et, pet. Do you have a new pet? Hut. Hut. Yeah, a small little house, sometimes made out of like grass or sticks, as a little hut. Run. Run. Sure, can you run fast? Vux. Vux. No. Yub. Yub. No. Chub. Chub. Maybe like the first part of chubby, but chub. Zub. Zub. No. All right, very good, boys and girls. Now I'm going to move you back up just a little bit. And so we're going to look at our learning target. And our learning target this week is I can identify the TH sound. The TH sound we're going to talk about today is the unvoiced one. It's the sound. So in words, so that I can read and write new words. So we're going to learn about the TH sound today. The TH that says like thumb. Okay? Parents, it's very important that we're making our words or our sounds correctly. Okay? And boys and girls, look at Mrs. E.B.'s mouth. When we say that sound, my tongue goes up to the top of my mouth, like by my front teeth. Thumb. If we're going like this, where my lip goes in, thumb, we're actually making the F sound. A lot of little kids, instead of saying the number 3, they say free because their sound is not made correctly. So if your lip is going in like f, that is not the correct sound. It's like thumb. Your tongue should be going up. Thumb. Okay? Thumb. So our first word that we talked about is the word thumb. Can you think of another word that has the th sound in it? If you can, send them to me. Send them to me through Google Hangouts. Some of you are my friends on Google Hangouts. Or Remind, right? So I have thumb. I have thin, like when you're skinny, thin. Or thick. Or 3. Not free, 3. Or 30. Right? Anything else? Thud. Think. Now I'm going to put this word up here. This is actually math. Math. And the reason why I put that up there is because the TH is at the end, but I still hear it. Math. Bath. Bath. This could be a kid's name. Seth. Seth. Okay, so we have a bunch of words right now. We have thumb, thin, thick, think, 3, 30, thud, math, Bath, and Seth. And so we're going to say T-H says th. Do it with me. T-H says th. T-H says th. Like in thumb. And we're going to put this into our new stack of cards. TH says th. So that's going to go into our pack. Okay, so TH says th. We thought of all of our new words. Thumb, thin, thick, think, 3, 30, thud, math, bath, Seth. If you can think of any more, send them to me. There's our thumb up there. And today we're going to end this session by reading Goldilocks and the 3 Dinosaurs. Goldilocks and the 3 Dinosaurs. There's my TH word. By Mo Williams. He is the guy that wrote the Pigeon books, if you know the Pigeon books, and Elephant and Piggy. So this is by Mo Williams, and the Scholastic Book Company has said it was okay for me to read this to you, right? So we are going to read Goldilocks and the 3 Dinosaurs. Once upon a time, there were 3 dinosaurs. Papa Dinosaur, Mama Dinosaur, and some other dinosaur who happened to be visiting from Norway. One day, for no particular reason, the 3 dinosaurs made up their beds, positioned their chairs just so, and cooked 3 bowls of delicious chocolate pudding at varying temperatures. "Oh boy," said Papa Dinosaur in his loud, booming voice, "it is finally time to leave and go to the, someplace else." "Yes," continued Mama Dinosaur, "I sure hope no innocent little succulent child happens by our unlocked home while we are, someplace else." Then the dinosaur made a loud noise that sounded like a big evil laugh, but was probably just a polite Norwegian expression. The 3 dinosaurs went someplace else and were definitely not hiding in the woods, waiting for an unsuspecting kid to come by. Who do you think's gonna come by? Who do you think? Maybe Goldilocks. Let's see. Sure enough, 5 minutes later, a poorly supervised little girl named Goldilocks came trapping along. 2 miles, getting closer. Just then the forest boomed with that what could have been a dinosaur yelling, "Gotcha!" But I'm pretty sure it was just the wind. The loud noise was immediately followed by another loud noise that sounded kind of like, "Be patient, Papa Dinosaur, the trap is not yet sprung." But that could have just been a falling rock or a squirrel. It's like they know that she's going there. It's a trap. Either way, Goldilocks was not the type of little girl who listened to anyone or anything. For example, Goldilocks never listened to warnings about the dangers of barging into strange, enormous homes. So as soon as Goldilocks came across a strange, enormous house, well, she barged right in. Welcome. Inside, Goldilocks immediately smelled the 3 bowls of delicious chocolate pudding. Said Goldilocks, "that chocolate pudding smells delicious. If only I could get all the way up to the top of that counter." Then Goldilocks noticed a very tall ladder that just happened to be there, and certainly wasn't left on purpose. Goldilocks climbed up the ladder and found herself face to face with 3 gigantic bowls of chocolate pudding. The first bowl of chocolate pudding was too hot, but Goldilocks ate it anyway because, hey, it's chocolate pudding, right? The second bowl of chocolate pudding was too cold, but who cares about temperature when you've got a big bowl of chocolate pudding? Not her. The third bowl of chocolate pudding was just right, but Goldilocks was on such a roll by now she hardly noticed. Soon Goldilocks was stuffed like one of those delicious chocolate-filled little girl bonbons, which, by the way, are totally not the favorite things in the whole world for hungry dinosaurs. Tired and groggy, Goldilocks noticed 3 chairs in the living room, so she climbed down the ladder and walked out of the kitchen. The first chair was too tall. The second chair was too tall, but the third chair, Was too tall. Goldilocks wasn't going to climb that high just to sit in some chair, so she hiked over to the bedroom. When she got there, Goldilocks noticed that the beds were also gigantically big. "What is going on here?" groaned the exhausted girl. "The bears that live here must be nuts." "Are they bears? Do bears live there?" Just then the room filled with a loud booming noise that was either a passing truck or a dinosaur gloating. "A few minutes and she'll be asleep. Delicious chocolate-filled little girl bonbons are yummier than when they're rested." Even a little girl who never listens to anyone or anything had to have heard that. Goldilocks took a minute to stop and think, which was longer than she was used to stopping and thinking. "Hey," she told herself, "this isn't some bear's house. This is some dinosaur's house." Say what you like about Goldilocks, but she was no fool. As quickly as she could, she ran to the back door and got out of there. Just then a loud plane flew by, which sounded pretty much like a trio of dinosaurs yelling, "Now!" or "Charge!" or the Norwegian expression for "Chewy bonbon time!" Suddenly and completely coincidentally, the three dinosaurs rushed through the front door. But they were too late. She had gone out the back door. Goldilocks was gone, and all that was left in the house were three disappointed dinosaurs. The end. And the moral is, if you ever find yourself in the wrong story, leave. And the moral for dinosaurs is, lock the back door. Thank you for letting me spend time with you this morning, boys and girls. Remember, TH is our new sound, and we'll be using it this week so we can write and read new words. See you tomorrow.